Alright, just going to make this video a quick one. It's like 11 o'clock at night and I've been out here for probably 14 hours today tying this thing off, but as you can see the front end is complete except for a couple of doors. The hood, if you've noticed, doesn't line up very well, and that is because if it stays up, yep, these hood springs are absolutely knackered, and this hinge here and the one on the other side is actually from the 58-59, and yes, this is a 58-59 twin headlights, but my cab is a late 57 cab and I'm guessing the truck's an early 58 truck, so the hood hinges down here are wrong. On the 55 to 57s, these two bolt holes are fatter and they're closer together, so you can see they're close together, and you can actually see the gaps top and bottom of the 58s. So the 58s are wider apart and the holes are smaller. So I've done what I could to get those on there, small things, and I don't have any bump stops, so I've just found one just to hold that down. And the hood hinge I got was a 55 to 57 because I thought that's what everything was. And I actually need the 58-59 hood hinge because the grill is different on the 58-59. So I'm kind of stuck at the moment. I'll just have to cable tie that down or bungee strap it or something. But while we're there, sorry, get my grubby mitt out of the way, we're going to stick you here to show you all my lights and things, if it stays there. What are we going to do here? Parkers. Yep. So we know the parkers are on. And we've got one more to headlights. And something down here's the high beam. I'll just turn the headlights off to make life easy. I don't know how that works in the camera. And we've got indicators. Left, right and left. Actually, while I've got you there, we might as well go and show you the LED tail lights too. So I finished wiring those up today. And they look pretty smart. As you can see, they're pretty bright. Ooh. Oh, and that light in the middle here is the reverse light. So, yeah. I've just got the car in reverse at the moment because I've just been doing some testing. And the brake lights work too, so, oh no, I've just taken the fuse out because the brake lights and the dome's courtesy switch all off the same, and because I haven't got any doors, the dome courtesy goes on. So we'll turn that off, Oh, and there's the Dakota digital dash again. I just never get over looking at that thing. It's so pretty. Good night. So yeah, what have I just stood on? Oh, it's just, just a strop. See it, tomorrow's job. Couple of doors going on there, throw on some windows, and we'll be off to Beach Shop next week. Like I said, yeah, the hood, and I've got some new rims coming, or some loaner rims coming, because my other two mags haven't arrived from China. They've been delayed and they won't be here till the 19th of April. So yep, like I said, just a quick video. 90% of it's all going. I've just got to connect up the brake fuse once I do the doors and check something for the high stop light. So I installed the high stop light, which is a requirement here in New Zealand, but it's not going. So I'll have to just go under the cab tomorrow and trace the wire back. It kind of comes down into here and up. So I've got a little test battery I'll hook onto it and make sure it all goes. I might have reverse polarized the LEDs and they might not be going. So anyway, that's all updated. That's my truck. Looks a lot smarter now. I'm super happy with it. And yeah, it's not perfect, but I love it.